Okay, I'm back again. It feels like the best position to throw it in is that position. Spin it up and just let it go. It actually flies like a tiny wee little helicopter. Now, I don't know how well this can actually perform, but it's performing really well actually currently. Performs really well. So I'm gonna see how high we can get it. All you really gotta do is just throw it onto the air and spin it. And it just turns into a jet. Very easy design. Literally anybody can make one of these. Ow. You've got to be careful though, it can nip you in the finger. In the arm. And that can be pretty painful. It's actually really cool. And it flies both ways. Sometimes one way works better than the other way. But I prefer flying it like this because it flies questionably well. I don't know why it flies so well. It just do. Oh god. Oh no. That is. Ah crap. The phone snapped. The phone's already snapped. Oh no. That is not good. That is not good at all. That's probably why it's not working. Right, I need to get that patched. Not the most safest thing to do. Hello kitty. Hello mama. I'm kind of locked in. I've got to go in the normal way. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Boom, bye.